Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable safe search in your Android phone. So at first, open up your Chrome browser and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. Now from here, scroll down a bit and then go to privacy and security. After that, scroll down again and then go to safe browsing option. And that's it. From here you can enable safe search in your Android phone. Here you can see three options: enhanced protection, standard protection and no protection. Now from here, if you want to enable safe search, you have to select enhanced protection and it's done. Now your safe search has been enabled successfully. Now if you tap on this icon, from here you can check your safe browsing or safe search details, and that's it. And then go back and you can see safe browsing is turned on. And that is how you can enable safe search in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.